Buckle up for a hilarious construction fail montage. Watch workers battle gravity and lose spectacularly. From tumbling bricks to wild cranes, it's a riot. Like the video, comment your favorite moment, and subscribe for more chaos. Thanks for joining the fun. Let's dive in. What's up, comedy connoisseurs? Weren't those construction clips just pure insanity? Did my worksite warriors have you cackling so loud you scared your cat off the couch? Don't even think about leaving. The next moments are so wild, they'll make a bulldozer double over in laughter. Expect epic fails and tools pulling pranks that'd make a clown jealous. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like forgetting your lines in a comedy roast. Hit that subscribe button, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this laughter train rolling. And that's all she wrote. If your abs aren't sore from laughing, you're doing it wrong. Big thanks for watching. See you at 7 p.m. daily for more chaos. Peace out.